This is Eureka Math, 3rd grade, Module 4, Lesson 1, Exit Ticket. So our first question, number 2, says each square is 1 square unit. Do both rectangles have the same area? Explain how you know. Okay, so let's think about this. They are both rectangles. They are different shapes. They're different sizes, like one's longer than the other. But what we want to know is, do they have the same area? And remember, area is just the space that something takes up. So if each square is equal to 1 square unit, we can just, first of all, we can count them up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this shape is 12 square units. Okay, and let's try the other one. Let's count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this shape is also 12 square units. Now there is a quicker way that we can figure this out without having to add up each individual square one at a time. Do you know what I'm talking about? How can we add or multiply these? I guess you could really call them arrays. So we've broken up these rectangles into different arrays. How can we find the total number of square units faster than counting them one at a time? So let's make a multiplication sentence for these arrays. So first of all, we're going to count how many rows. How many rows does this one have? It has 4 rows. Now, how many columns does this shape have? It has 3 columns. So another way we could say this is 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3, guys? That is 12. Okay, so this is 12 square units. And over here we have 2 rows and 6 columns. What is 2 times 6? 2 times 6 also equals 12. So this is 12 square units. That's the faster way to get to the answer. So our answer, no, one is shorter than the other. Nope, it doesn't matter how long or short they are. Nope, one is longer than the other. That doesn't matter. Yes, they are both 16 square units. This is supposed to say 12 square units, and your answer is number 3.